Which one is yours? This one? Oh yeah, this is his right here. Yeah, it's probably on bags. This is crazy.
It's 2025. We thinking about bringing it back to old school, man.
That's looking good. What would I do with a 502, man? Y'all, we outside for a little bit. Pardon my roughness. You know, I had a cut in about a couple of weeks. You see my gray starting to poke out a little more. Damn, man, nigga getting old out here. But shit, we about to pop out to a little car show for a little bit. We finna go pick up the HG Shiny, and we about to head down there. Don't know really much about the car show. I know it's a fundraiser, but we're gonna see what we get down there. I'm gonna throw my wave cap on so I get a little bit more presentable, you know what I'm saying? Look a little bit more cleaner. Y'all stay tuned, you feel me? I just had to give y'all a little car intro type shit.
They said he never gave you niggas money!
Yeah, we made it. I'm with my friend. Turn around. Say what's up. Feel me? We outside. We coming to check out some cool cars, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's get it going, man. And don't forget, shout out to Brand, you dig? Check out the site. Site is up. It'll be in the description below. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it going, man. Show y'all some cool cars. These motherfuckers is worth a lot. No cap. Is this an Impala? Oh yeah, this is an Impala. Hell yeah, they got a cool little lineup. Hell yeah, this motherfucker golded out. This shit's like bronze. Oh my God. The combination, just these two by itself, I take them. You see it? All right, let's keep it going. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's another Chevy. We got more Chevys, more Chevys. Yeah. This is nice. That's what I told him right now. I told you should have brought it. We're gonna go over there in a minute, y'all. Let's check out all these old schools. They got the truck. Hell yeah. Man, if I had bread, I'd take one of each. This is crazy. Let's go check out this Impala right here. What is this? Let me see. Is this a Chevelle? Oh, this is a Chevelle. Okay, we got a Chevelle right here. We got a nice Chevelle looking clean. It's sir with I think that's a big block. Got a big block in it. Yes, sir. Cow hood. They kept it old school with this one. How y'all doing? Good, good. No bad days. No bad days. Interior is original, you know, you see it. Yes, sir. How y'all doing? Good morning. Good, good. Which one is yours? This one? Oh, yeah, this is his right here. What's your name, boss? Joe. Joe, I'm Elph.
Nice to meet you, Elph.
Likewise, likewise. How you doing, boss? Good morning. Evo, Elph. Steve-O?
Yeah, Evo.
Nice to meet you. So we got this clean thing right here, man. Lower two, all original. You see it. Cal induction. If I had the money, man, this would be some cold in my garage. I wouldn't even drive it at all. Let's go. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving.
Got it, everything is cool? Yeah, nice. What I did was I retrofit a Bluetooth.
Which one? Which one you like?
I like this one.
Yeah, that gold one, crazy.
This give me like Disney Diner vibes.
Yeah,
Like,
it's giving me old school. Let me take you to the dance. Me. Put some 24s on it. The rat tail? I need one. I can't get one of those on my bike until I go across the highway.
How do you drive these cars?
Huh?
How do you drive these cars?
I don't know.
Look at it. It don't even look normal.
I wouldn't even know how to drive it. She said, "How you drive these cars?"
Real spacious though. You can tell this is a luxury car.
I would teach one of my homies how to drive it and be in the back smoking the wood.
That's
I think it's a contest because they all got numbers in their cars.
they used to put couches in here before they made seats.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, look at that blue one.
Oh my God, you gonna go over everywhere.
Yeah, we gotta go slow. We gonna have to go back twice. Yeah, it's probably on bags. This is crazy. And we were just talking about low cars. I for sure can't fit in this.
Oh my God, look at this one.
Oh, we gotta keep it moving, y'all.
That's like something.
Look at the work. Look at the work. Well, these, yeah, I love this one. This one crazy. The chrome.
It's the jets in the back.
It's nice. They out here chilling. See, this is how I want to be. Oh, this is like, this is.
This
What that shit clean with the fan in it. It's a 3-row. It is a 3-row. What is it? Oh, 39 Chevy Suburban. Damn, it go crazy. Superficial. I'm loving this one though. They both lower, but this one cool too.
I like the paint.
Yeah, all three of them. Matter of fact, this whole row, it's like old school paint. Like, you know what I'm saying? These parts is crazy. Like, you would have to find somebody, or like, you'd either have to find somebody that got the part, or get yours like rebuilt and refurbished. Damn, what we? Oh, we could go inside. We go inside. All right, y'all. Now, so we going inside right now. You feel me? We just left outside. We gonna have to make like another round because there's some cars that we missed. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna turn y'all back around and see what they got up in here. We're gonna try to take our time, make 2 rounds. You feel me? Get something to eat and whatnot. Get some TikTok content, some Instagram content reels. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get it going. We inside. Fleet Master. We got the fleet thing, okay. It's nice, man. Then we go around here. I swear I was never a fan like that of like real old schools and whatnot. But when somebody do their car and you see an idea of somebody else's image, it makes you change your perspective. You know what I'm saying? Which is what's going on right now. Gotta change my perspective. Yeah, this me right here. This most my speed right here. We got the low riders going. Yeah. This is it. This is it. This is it with the old school Chevrolet on the side, man. Yep. Then we come over here to the 59. Right? Oh, 1964 Malibu. More restoration. I wonder if they got any dogs in here. I wonder if they got any dogs in here. How y'all doing? Good morning. We got another Chevy pickup right here. Now your questions in my head. How do you drive? You know what you're talking about? It's me. I never seen them on bags. That's the crazy thing. Now that I see them on bag, they look totally different to me. Like, you see how they lower when you turn on? Go, yeah, it's crazy. It's about my seat right here. Oh yeah, here we go. This is right here. Yeah, 502. That's looking good. What I do with 502? My life. Big engine in that thing. Kinda wonder the engine. This one? Yeah, we should have bought some liquor or something. Yeah, we could do a little round. Maybe they come back in and get some food. This one? See, you should have known. You was gonna find something out there. The car show looked like what she was over there.
It's 2025. We're thinking about bringing it back old school. They don't have the drink we're looking for. So we trying to see if we're going to opt out for the four locals or what. Like, you know, I think we just need to bring it back one time. But I didn't see these. We
What's
got
that?
the limeade and strawberry. Them is good. These right here, the splash, the Smirnoff, that's what I didn't see none of these.
Twisted Teas.
A White Claw is the same thing as like a cut water, if you ask me.
I need a cup.
How this come with 8% alcohol.
I need like 12.
This is like an Arizona. Okay, so just get to it.
I don't need 18.
That's too much to drink, though.
Exactly.
I wish they had shots. You don't sell shots?
I think so. Maybe. We're gonna have to look.
Okay, so what? 4 locos? Oh my god. A 4 loco is crazy. But that sour melon look good. We need to eat before we drink that.
I'm trying to eat and drink at the same time.
Okay, so
I'm gonna go get a cup of ice from wherever we go.
So what are we doing? I'm gonna be like a Mexican and get a chelada.
I was thinking that too. I was with Patron. I know he got shots up there.
Okay,
All right, let's
so
go
what we
look.
doing?
Okay. Yeah. Pray for us. We out here making dangerous decisions on a Sunday.
Dangerous decision.
What's going on? How you doing?
Looking at God is that damn fireball.
No, we ain't doing no fireball. Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad. Before we even dig in, you see it, something crazy. Cause we being real ghetto, y'all. I ain't gonna cap, y'all. I can't even show y'all what we drinking, but we being real ghetto. Yeah. But just know it's that. I can't tell you what it is, but yeah. So we back from our slight intermission, y'all. You feel me? Back to the car show we go. Tune in. This nigga pulling out in a new vet. I'm getting it from right here. Look at the wheels. Them carbon fiber wheels. Wheels probably like 17 bands. Look at the puppy.
That's gonna be killed. You gotta know that in there.
Oh, me.
This is what I expect to hear when I see that.
I brought my Camaro here one time. To get a service.
Oh, so this is close.
Huh?
This is close.
Or be cold as hell. Yup. Soon as you get in that motherfucker in the morning, it's warm as hell. It's not even hot.
Original.
Mm-hmm. He probably won a lot. Original 10. You gotta look to this way. Oh, you can't even see this way. This is a mob farm. This shit tight as fuck.
Yeah, come pick me up in here.
I've been there smoking a fat wood.
It's so hot. Oh, God, real slow.
I wouldn't even listen to no rap.
What? I'm doing try real slow.
Real slow, real smooth.
You gotta be listening to this stuff. You gotta listen to hey, hey, hey. What you going? Expect to hear what
Man, that motherfucker tipping going 25 miles an hour.
What?
He got that Mississippi
I like
right
this
here.
one too. This is I can see me in a little picnic dress or the heaven.
Oh, and this one? Man, they got some nice shit.
Self out dress up flowing.
They got some nice shit right here.
So This give like real player.
Yeah.
Cadillac Reynolds.
It's just something about that black and red.
I feel like it feels good. Get a little harder.
Number 7. You said the blue, like the whole color?
No, stripes.
Nah.
Yeah.
Red brighter. Red way brighter.
What this? Like a hearse?
Probably so.
Or that black one?
Nah, that was a mob car for sure. That was that put the things up and get to bussing. Damn, I hopped out the bed at like 9 something, was like, yeah, we gotta go to this. I heard about it like yesterday night. I thought I was late.
Take a look in the mirror, say, look, I like that going.
How we get up over there?
You have to walk straight through.
All right, we gonna come back to this. More cars, more cars, more cars. Sheesh. We gonna try to fit everything into one video, y'all. All right, more cars.
Does he tip the dog?
Original ice cream, y'all. Ice cream truck. Original ice cream truck. What'd you get? A strawberry shortcake? It's lower too. That's what the bags control by. You see the back? That's what control the bags. You see the bags? Them bags right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, them are played up.
It's that's what you hear. I don't know. Every car I get, I just think about smoking the wood in that motherfucker. Is that bad? Every new car I get, it smells good as hell. I'm like, yeah, it's time to bless it.
It look like the car. What's his name?
Hey, that's crazy.
The Mexican dude. Got what's his name? Smokey. That look like that car.
Nah, that ain't Smokey car. They ain't gonna have it in here. Wait, which one? Which one you talking about?
The dude who got smoking. When he pulled up in that car.
Oh yeah, nah, that's not it. They just turned this one off. You can hear the fan still. Favorite car right here. This what Queen Latifah was driving. Huh?
The interior so fire. Go look at Tommy Lee, what's his name?
Where? This is a Camaro.
Oh my God.
You see, look, don't ever get the game messed up. She said this is a Mustang.
It looked like a.
What? And this motherfucker tinted. You rarely see him tinted. Oh, this is the back tinted. Okay. It's original. This car maybe like 70 bands.
Not the baby.
You see?
And that all comes with.
Go, let me see something. Okay.
Okay, but I got that one now.
Little something. Hell no. What? GTA?
After that,
Huh?
a lot of detail in that car. You can under it. Like, there's so much detail.
Hell yeah. This shit by itself worth like 100 bands.
I was just gonna say that's easily $100,000 car.
Mm-hmm. Both of them damn near. This one probably worth more though, because everybody, this is the most desirable.
Like the red interior.
That's the most desirable Impala right there. It's like art. Shit. How y'all doing? Good, good.
Oh, that pink one is so cute.
Yeah, these are all nice cars. They all look good. All original colors. This is the original green right here. I think this is a Malibu. Rick Ross. Come on now, we all do.
I want to go to Rick Ross. It's not even that high though. That's the crazy part.
What, to get in?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Look at this motherfucker. Man, regular like this is over like 120. If I ever get, just don't even trip. I'm getting one of those. How y'all doing? You good? This is my favorite one, 63. I would take it just like this. Okay. Yeah, they did, but they used to have them like around the waist. Some of them don't. Some people don't put them back in. Then again, it's hard to put registration in these cars now.
personally feel like a lot of things that women do is better. Like, you know, they schedule things better. See, this is so crazy because now it's like I know the camera here.
But you gotta
But
keep
anyway, so
talking.
back to the thing. So anyways, y'all, the whole gist of what I was saying is, you know, I just feel like
Y'all emotional fucking creatures.
we are emotional creatures, but that's what balances things out, you feel me? Because if we didn't have our emotions play into what we going through with our daily life, you feel me, we'll probably crash out, you feel me? You got to know how to balance your emotions. We know how to decipher all our emotions, go through all of them. You men don't go through no emotions.
You think women
So
can
y'all
make the
go
world?
through, so y'all go, honestly, I'm going to be honest with you.
World War 35 women
I'm
were
gonna be
doing.
honest with you. No, I don't. I don't. The only reason why I say that is because, again, we do work with our emotions. But I'm not saying that we don't know how to decipher through them, you know, and work through them. But it's like, who the fuck wants to sit there and wait till a woman figures out what the fuck they're feeling, all that other shit, to come to conclusions and figure
so
out
mad.
all that.
Your pizza was so better than me. Every
Here.
time I bite that motherfucker, I get
Here.
I don't want it.
Here.
Mm-mm.
Here's some pizza. Look, again. So y'all, let me just demonstrate it. My pizza was busting. Let's just start there. Busting through the roof. It was so fire. I'm finna. It was good. Next time he just gonna have to, you know, follow my lead.
That shit was fucking mid. I can't even bite that motherfucker no more. That shit make a nigga mad. That shit, your shit tastes damn near similar to California Pizza Kitchen.
Barbecue pizza with the chicken, purple onions, cilantro,
You made a great
cheese. Oh my god. Delicious. I had a ball at the car auto show. I enjoyed myself. I got to see a lot of different cars. I still am confused on some of them on how you drive them. But all in all, cars was dope. Paint job was fire. Good vibe. Everybody was talkative. You feel me? It wasn't nothing negative. Like, you know, I really love my city. We really know how to pull up and show out and enjoy ourselves. Right? So if you're in the LA area and you need you a cool little tour guide, it's me and my crew. That's a boomer fool.
Y'all, thanks for tuning in. You feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the brand, Waveology. You feel me? The link will be in the description. You know what I'm saying? Here we go.